So today I'm gonna try and refurbish my bags some. These bags are 20 years old. They came on my bike. They are getting pretty stiff, pretty hard. You can see the color change where they've been faded. This Texas sun has made them really pretty stiff. I mean, it's getting hard. I'm afraid it's gonna wanna crack. I can barely stretch this out to put it on the button when they're on the bike. It just doesn't want to reach anymore. The leather's really gotten stiff. So I got me a few things here to try and do this with. Got me some towels, got me some of this conditioning, rejuvenation, kiwi leather stuff. Got me a couple bottles of Rawlings glove oil. This will hopefully soften up that leather some. Well, first I gotta clean them off here, and then I'll get the glove oil and start rubbing that in. Wet paper towel here, and I'm just gonna go through. I'm gonna wipe all this off and clean this leather really good. Yeah, they've gotten old, they're pretty stiff. They have seen better days. I used to have them looking nice a couple years ago, but haven't done them since when I first got my bike. Glove oil here, shaking it up real good. I'm just gonna start applying this I'm just gonna try it with a paper towel here. See how that does. I'm just gonna start rubbing this in. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna rub every bit I can. I wish I could just dip the whole bag in this stuff. I'm just getting this stuff on here. I'm just rubbing it in by hand, because it seems to spread in a whole lot more and it soaks in a whole lot because these things are so dry. I've still got, I went through one bottle here. You can already tell a difference. It's looking a little better. Grab my other bottle, and I've kind of went into this sort of a sprinkle and pour and rub in sort of deal. Seems to be working pretty good. It's soaking up all this glove oil and softening this stuff up. Plus the paper towels were kind of leaving little black stuff, little white specks all over the black, which ain't a big deal. It'll come right off. But I think doing it this way here gives me a little more of a better penetration. I can use my fingers to get all down in the grooves and stuff. So let's see how this conditioning oil here works, even though it's more like a gel. Good. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and start up here on the top and see what happens. Oh yeah, it looks like that's doing some good stuff. That's working good. So I'm going to keep doing this, and I'm going to apply this to all the parts of the bag that I can. So instead of making you watch that, let's go ahead and just skip ahead here. Yeah, I think this stuff works pretty good. I just went to Walmart up here in Red Oak and got these products. I spent less than, I think it's about 10 bucks. A little bit of minor buffing to do and stuff, but I must say that has made a tremendous difference. The leather's much more softer and malleable, much better than it was. I'm happy with the way it came out. Yeah, they definitely look a lot better. Now I just gotta get them on the bike. But like I always say, guys, try and fail, but never fail to try. God bless. Tham out.